When pathogenic organism is isolated from the patient sample, which is came to the microbiology laboratory for culture and sensitivity, it should be, that means pathogenic organism should be confirmed by different biochemical tests. So once pathogenic organism is confirmed by biochemical test, that means its genus and species, we need to identify the drugs which can able to kill the isolated organism, that is pathogenic organism. So finally we need to give the report to the physician states that particular pathogenic organism isolated from the sample and that organism is sensitive to particular drugs and resistant to particular drugs. So based on this report, physician will prescribe the suitable drugs to the patient. It will be useful for the patient. So in this way, microbiology department is helping the patient to get recovered from the disease. So how will identify the drugs which it can kill the bacteria, whether it is bacteria is sensitive to drugs or resistant to drugs. In this video, we are trying to show the how to perform the antibiotic susceptibility test in a laboratory. Once you receive a sample from a patient, immediately inoculate the sample on culture media by streak plate technique. Then incubated at 37 degrees centigrade in incubator overnight. So next day you will get the isolated colonies. To perform AST test, we need bacteria grown in liquid culture media. So to get this, first inoculate the specific colonies into the filtered water with the sterilized inoculation loop. Then incubate at 37 degrees centigrade for 3 to 4 hours. After 4 hours, we will get growth of bacteria in liquid medium. Before inoculating the liquid culture onto the MHA medium, we need to bring the MHA medium to the room temperature by doing like this. Then finally mark the patient ID on MHA plate. So there are two methods to inoculate the sample onto the MHA medium. One is pouring method and second one is swabbing method. So in pouring method, pour the liquid media carefully onto the MHA medium and rotate to cover the entire surface of the culture media with bacteria and discard the excess amount of culture from petri dish. And the second method is swabbing. So apply the liquid culture media onto the MHA medium with the help of sterile
cotton swab.
So with the help of sterile cotton swab, first apply on upper part of the culture media, then turn the petri dish to left side and again apply the sample on upper part of culture media, then again turn the plate to the left side and then again apply upper half of the culture media. So by doing like this, we can cover the entire culture media with the bacterial sample. Now we are doing the final step, that is placing the antibiotic discs on culture media with the help of sterile forceps. finally we have placed the antibiotics on culture media. So minimum we can keep the 7 antibiotics in a petri dish. Then turn the plates to the reverse, and then you have to keep the plates, culture media plates, into incubator in reverse direction only. Here we are observing inhibition of bacterial growth around the antibiotic disc. That indicates that particular drug is able to inhibit the growth of bacteria. Most of the drug inhibited the bacterial growth around it. Hence, we need to measure the zone of inhibition and report the drug to the physician which shows highest zone of inhibition. Take the measuring scale and keep the 0 at one edge of zone of inhibition and measure from edge to edge. Take your measuring in millimeter.